tonight, the Biden administration standing its ground after a federal appeals court blocked that new vaccine requirement for large businesses. This comes as Los Angeles implemented a similar measure today. With more, here's Miguel Almaguer.
Tonight, the White House is trying to fight off a legal challenge threatening the nation's most aggressive vaccine mandate. Responding to a federal appeals panel that temporarily halted the new rule, the Justice Department says it will vigorously defend OSHA's plan to require businesses with 100 or more employees ensure workers are vaccinated or wear a mask and face weekly testing.
The Department of Labor has a responsibility to keep workers safe and the legal authority to do so.
With enforcement set for early next year, the rule would impact roughly 1 in 4 Americans.
This is an incredible overreach by the executive branch and the government that we've never seen. It's unprecedented.
The owner of Ralph's Market, a grocery chain in Louisiana and Mississippi that employs some 500 people, is a plaintiff in one of the lawsuits.
This is not a lawsuit that is anti-vaccine. This is a lawsuit that is anti-mandate.
With vaccine mandates quickly becoming a focal point for national divisiveness,
I know you don't offer it to just anyone, okay?
Today, State Farm stood behind pitchman and quarterback Aaron Rodgers, who said he was immunized, later caught COVID, then said the woke mob tried to cancel him after he chose not to get vaccinated. We don't support some of the statements that he has made, says State Farm, but we respect his right to have his own personal point of view.
Can I go ahead and check your vaccination card?
Meantime, today in Los Angeles, restaurants, gyms, and hair salons were told to start verifying vaccination status, the nation's second largest city with some of the country's toughest rules.
This is mandatory. You know what I'm saying? I want to be protected.
It's unfortunate that in America we do not have a choice.
Tonight, the fight not just to vaccinate, but to mandate.
Miguel, let's circle back to that vaccine mandate for large businesses. What happens next?
Well, Lester, the White House is waiting to hear back from the appeals panel. This case, in theory, could go all the way up to the Supreme Court. The stakes are that high. It impacts 85 million workers nationwide. Lester.
Miguel Almaguer.